We truly are living during the most extraordinary times ever in human history. There's no way for us to truly fathom how fast the world is changing. That's why we built this institution, to become a resource for you for the rest of your lives. We live in a world of rapidly accelerating technologies, computation, artificial intelligence, robotics, augmented and virtual reality, digital manufacturing, genomics, biotechnology, sensors, networks, nanotechnology.